There are 7 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Subaru Forester is the smartest move you can make right now. If you have been holding off on replacing your current SUV because nothing on the market feels worth the price, this new Forester is coming with a hybrid powertrain, a purpose-built off-road variant, and a safety package that most rivals charge thousands extra to match. Most people still think of the Forester as the predictable play-it-safe choice, but this new model is delivering more torque, better fuel economy, and more standard safety technology than anything else in the compact SUV class at this price point. Number 7. Strong off-road performance. The 2027 Forester is coming in 2 distinct personalities, and both are worth understanding. Standard trims handle the real-world conditions most buyers actually face. The Wilderness trim handles everything beyond that. Subaru's Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive comes standard on every trim. No packages, no exceptions. Ground clearance on standard version sits at 8.7 inches, already ahead of several key rivals. For buyers who push further, the Forester Wilderness is where things get serious. Ground clearance rises to 9.3 inches, with approach, departure, and breakover angles rated at 23.5, 25.5, and 21 degrees respectively. The CVT gets a shorter final drive ratio for better low-speed traction, paired with an upgraded transmission cooler that raises towing capacity to 3,500 pounds. A rear differential temperature sensor keeps drivers informed about drivetrain stress on the trail. The Wilderness rolls on Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires with snow/dirt and deep snow/mud drive modes, underbody armor, and roof rails rated for 800 pounds of static load. It starts just under $40,000. That's a strong value for everything included, but capability alone is only part of what makes the 2027 Forester worth waiting for, because what's arriving under the hood changes the ownership experience in a much more immediate way. Number 6. Efficient hybrid powertrain. The 2027 Forester is offering something the model has never offered in the past. We are talking about a proper, full hybrid powertrain, built around the same architecture as the new Crosstrek Hybrid, a 2.5-liter flat-4 pairs with an electric motor and a 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery for a combined 194 horsepower. The electric motor contributes 199 pound-feet of torque, and that is where the real-world difference shows up. Most compact SUV owners deal with the same daily frustration: sluggish acceleration away from stops, stop-and-go traffic that drains fuel, and a gas gauge that moves faster than expected. That low-end torque from the electric motor addresses all of it. The vehicle pulls away more responsively without the engine needing to build revs first. The EPA rates the Forester Hybrid at 35 miles per gallon city and 34 highway, with a driving range of over 580 miles per tank. The hybrid starts at roughly $2,100 more than an equivalent gas trim, a gap that fuel savings recover over time. Critically, Subaru's Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive carries over completely intact, and cargo space is unaffected by the added components. If we consider that most hybrid SUVs have sacrificed this aspect of the design and just added an extra electric motor, this might be the single biggest strength and selling point. That powertrain efficiency is a strong selling point, but the next reason is one most buyers never think to evaluate until it's too late. Number 5. Excellent outward visibility. Large glass areas wrap around the cabin on all sides. The upright windshield places the horizon naturally in the driver's sightline, and the rear window is tall enough to reverse without relying entirely on cameras. For buyers spending significant time in traffic or tight parking structures, this matters more than most spec sheets reflect. Driving a vehicle with poor visibility every day means uncertain lane changes, repeated parking corrections, and a general sense of unease that never fully goes away. The Forester eliminates most of that friction. A 360-degree camera system is available for additional coverage, and standard blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross-traffic alert covers the remaining gaps. Strong visibility is one of the Forester's most consistent advantages, and the exterior design responsible for it is also turning heads for its own reasons. Number 4. Rugged, boxy design. Walk through any compact SUV lot, and a pattern emerges quickly. Rounded edges, sloping rooflines, smooth surfaces that blend together from 20 feet away. The 2027 Forester is going in a different direction entirely. The 6th-generation design is built around a boxy, upright profile that connects back to the Forester's original character. Sharp lines run along the sides. The roofline stays high and flat. The front end is more prominent and angular, projecting a sense of solidity that rounded crossover styling cannot replicate. Nothing here is decorative for its own sake. The proportions are functional. The Wilderness trim sharpens that identity further. LED hexagonal fog lights, anodized copper exterior accents, and trim-specific styling elements give it a look that is immediately distinct from the rest of the lineup. the Geolandar tires, the anthracite wheels, and the visible underbody protection signal capability from the outside. For buyers who want a compact SUV that carries its character honestly on the outside, the 2027 Forester is one of the more straightforward options in the segment. And that same honest, practical thinking is exactly what Subaru is bringing to the cabin, where the space on offer is going to surprise quite a few people. Number 3. Spacious cabin. Front legroom measures 43.3 inches, ahead of the Toyota RAV4's 41 and the Honda CR-V's 41.3. Rear legroom comes in at 39.4 inches, above the class average. Cargo capacity runs 27.5 cubic feet with rear seats up and 69.1 cubic feet with them folded flat. Think about what this buyer is actually hauling: grandchildren with gear, golf bags, luggage for a week away, a run to the hardware store. A cabin that doesn't require creative packing saves time and reduces frustration on every single trip. Materials lean, durable rather than premium, built to be used. In the wilderness, StarTech's water-resistant upholstery makes post-adventure cleanup straightforward. The cabin works for real life. But if that impresses you, the gas-only powertrain in the next chapter makes a stronger argument for itself than most people expect. Number 2. Proven gas-only powertrain. Not every buyer needs a hybrid, and the 2027 Forester is not pushing anyone toward one. For those who want mechanical simplicity, a lower entry price, and a drivetrain with a long track record, the gas-only Forester is a deliberate and capable choice. All gas trims carry Subaru's 2.5-liter flat-four, producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, through a CVT to standard all-wheel drive. This engine's behavior is well-established, smooth, predictable, and proven over years of real-world use. The 0 to 60 time sits around 8.7 seconds, tuned for composure rather than performance figures. Fuel economy runs 25 to 26 miles per gallon city and 32 to 33 highway, with a starting price of $31,445. It is a straightforward, dependable package, but the single most persuasive reason to choose this vehicle over anything else in the segment applies to every trim, regardless of powertrain. Number 1. Loads of standard safety features. Subaru's EyeSight suite comes standard on every trim without exception, from the $31,500 base model to the range-topping Touring. Every buyer is receiving automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, reverse automatic braking, blind spot detection with lane change assist, and rear cross-traffic alert as part of the base package. Many compact SUV buyers in this age group are prioritizing safety above almost everything else, for themselves, for their spouses, for grandchildren riding in the back seat. The frustration of having to spend thousands more just to reach the trim where basic protection becomes available is real. And it is exactly what the Forester avoids entirely. The IIHS awarded the Forester a top safety pick designation for the prior model year, and the 2027 version is built to hold that standing. Touring trims add the driver-focused distraction mitigation system, a cabin camera that detects driver fatigue and issues alerts before a situation develops. The 2027 Forester's safety package is not a trim-level reward. It is the foundation. The 2027 Subaru Forester is building a case that covers every angle a compact SUV buyer actually cares about. Standard all-wheel drive across the entire lineup means no buyer is left without real all-weather capability, while the new hybrid powertrain gives the Forester the fuel efficiency it needed to stay competitive. The Wilderness arrives as a genuinely upgraded off-road package, not a cosmetic one, and the spacious cabin, strong outward visibility, and rugged design make it one of the more honest vehicles in the segment. Most importantly, the EyeSight safety suite comes standard on every single trim, meaning no buyer has to spend their way up the lineup just to get protected. Taken together, these 7 reasons point to the same conclusion: the 2027 Subaru Forester is worth the wait. With all these strengths in mind, it's clear that the Subaru Forester is one of the most obvious choices in the compact SUV segment, but it's not the only one. If you want to check out other excellent options in this class, make sure to start with the absolute class leader, the 2027 Toyota RAV4 you now see on the screen. The recent redesign brought massive improvements in terms of style, technology, and interior design, which only solidifies its dominant market position even more.